Today I have installed the Call of Duty Black Ops 3. I got this error, the additional DLL couldn't be loaded. To fix this, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game has added to this list. Go back to virus and threat protection. Select protection history. Click on the drop down in threat found and select yes option. As you can see, game related file, select action and select allow on device option and select yes. Do the same thing if any other game related file, restore that. Once you done this, no stuff here, and now you can able to launch the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.